How to delete watched history on Netflix. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to delete your Netflix watch history, you can directly delete items, but you cannot hide them. So this feature isn't available in the Netflix app, so you will need to use a browser on your device. So go ahead and open any browser on your device, search for netflix.com and then tap on sign in, which is highlighted in red color in the top right corner. Choose a profile or simply log into your specific Netflix account where you want to hide and delete the watch history. After that, choose a profile that you want to edit. Open the viewing activity for that profile. You will see a hide icon that looks like an eye next to each episode, series, or movie. Click on this icon to hide it. And keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for the hidden title to disappear from all of your devices. But this feature isn't available for Netflix Kids profiles. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.